Hello everyone. Our aim of the experiment is to determine the self-inductance and mutual inductance in a single phase two winding transformer representing as a coupled circuit. So this is the particular Taylor kit for this experiment, and this is the circuit diagram for this experiment to determine the self-inductance and mutual inductance. For this, what we need to do is, first we will apply 1 volt and 3 kilohertz frequency at these two terminal, that is our P1 and P8 terminal. Then we will connect this resistor, this will be connected from this resistor, that is from P17 and P26 terminal, that is connected to P2 and P3 terminal. Now then the current will be measured, that is by the formula the voltage across resistor VR divided by the resistance value. For this we will measure the resistance value. Then after that we will connect the transformer terminals ABCD to this transformer terminals ABCD. After that we will measure the voltage in the primary side V1 and the voltage of the transformer in the secondary side. So for applying the voltage of 1 volt and 3 kilohertz, we are taking this function generator, that is from this function generator we will apply 1 volt and 3 kilohertz. So for this we will measure first the voltage. So the voltage is measured. So the voltage is measured, that is it is showing 0.990. So we will set at 1 volt. So is set approximately at 1 volt, that is 1.023, and we already set the frequency at 3 kilohertz. So this is approximately 3 kilohertz, that is 3.055 kilohertz. Now we will connect these two terminals to the P1 and P8 terminals of this coupled circuit. Okay, so we are connecting this. Now we will connect this resistor terminals here. So before connecting that, we will measure the value of the resistance. So that is the value of the resistance here is, that is the value of the resistance here is, that is 145 ohm. Now this resistor will be connected across the P2 and P3 terminal. Then the transformer terminals A will be connected to this A point, this B will be connected to B point, then this C point will be connected to C, and D is now connected to D point. Then we will measure the voltage across the transformers V1 and V2. So before that we will sort these two terminals, that is the connection for ammeter terminal, and that is the current measurement will be done from the formula, that is the voltage across resistor VR divided by the resistance. Now we will measure the voltage across the resistor. For that we will give the supply. Then the voltage across the resistance is, it is showing 0.421 volt. This is the voltage across resistor VR. Then the voltage across the primary side of the transformer is, the voltage across the primary side of the transformer is V1, that is 0.661 volt, and the voltage across the secondary side of the transformer is, that is V2, that is 0.653 volt. Okay, so the voltage is across the primary side, the secondary side, and the voltage across resistor is taken. And the formula for the calculation of self inductance is L1 is equals to V1 by omega I1. So I1 is our VR by R, and L1 will be calculated from there, V1 by omega I1. As we know that the voltage across an inductor is omega L into I1. So from that we are calculating the self inductance L is equals to V1 by omega I1. So omega is your what? Omega is the angular frequency, that is 2 pi f. So from that we can calculate the L is equals to V divided by 2 pi f into I1. So I1 we will get, that is from the formula VR by R, and f is 3 kilohertz and pi value is 3.14. And mutual inductance can be calculated from the formula K into root over L1 into L2. So L1 we already calculated, and K is your coefficient of coupling, that is the value of 0.9 for this circuit, and L2 will be calculated from the formula, that is V2 by omega into I. So that I we are taking, that is as I1, that is VR by R, and omega is 2 pi into f. So f is 3 kilohertz frequency, and from this we will get L1, L2 and the mutual inductance. Thank you.